Jia Khan's mother has now made a sensational claim linking the death of her daughter and Sushant Singh Rajput. Jia Khan's mother, Rabia Khan, has shared a post alleging the way Jia and Sushant were killed and dated was just staged as a suicide. She has now demanded a CBI probe to intervene and investigate into Sushant's case. She also has alleged that due to political pressure on the police, the truth cannot come out. She also claimed that the accused in Jia and Sushant's death case were connected to powerful Bollywood media and to politicians. And this is shielding the main accused. In 2013 of June, actress Jia Khan's death had sent shockwaves across the nation. Suraj Pancholi was booked for abetment to suicide. The trial of the case is still going on. Pancholi was recently accused by BJP leader Narayan Rane in Sushant and his former manager Dasha's case. Jia Khan's mother is now joining us live. She joins us on this broadcast. Thank you so much, Rabia Khan, for joining us, taking the moment out. Your first up thoughts on all that is going on with Sushant Singh Rajput and the parallel that you draw with the unfortunate demise of your own daughter.
Look, I am the first one to say that when I saw Sushant Singh's, when I heard about Sushant Singh, I said this is a murder. The complete similarities is shocking. Gave me the shockwave. Look at the way he was trapped. His partner and Jia's partner, you know, trapped both of them with that love bombing love, and then making them promise of marriage, and then giving them that kind of fake attention, flattery, then sponging out their money, and then isolating them from the loved ones, you know, creating a strategy. Look at the mastermind. And then after that, when the control is slipping, then you get rid of them, you know, then strangulate them and stage their homicidal death. For example, it makes me laugh over police. Do you think that Bombay police is not competent or they are lazy? They have spent more time in sabotaging and destroying evidences rather than investigate. They were going after nepotism because that suited them. Do you understand me? Now when people's eyes have opened, they've seen injuries on Sushant, they've seen injuries on
Rabia,
Jia.
I mean, somewhere do you feel that your daughter as well was done grave injustice to during the course of the investigation? I do know that the case is currently on. Suraj Pancholi has also been accused of abetment to suicide as well.
The police officer told me, the high police officer told me, I want to punish the boy. I am saying, sir, my daughter has been killed and I've seen injuries, and I had told her not to be, not to have relationship with Suraj Pancholi, because look at his background, look at him, he has no respect or nothing. Look at his, whatever was obvious, the way he's, what I'm hearing, that he's beating her, and he's not a good, you know, block of good category. What did police do? Police caught him, put him 21 days in a jail because they wanted to punish him, right? They're not looking at the murder angle. They said that, oh, we created, you know, our intelligence created the wake-up story because I wanted to punish them. I said, no, my daughter has been killed. You've got to punish him. Take a narco test, take a polygraphy. You know, he refused it. And you have other methods. Do something else. No, because they were pressurized. They were put up political pressure. Bollywood icon telling CBI officer, don't interrogate him. Don't ask him questions. You know, we are launching him. We have put a lot of money over him. So obviously, you can influence one officer, but you cannot influence the entire CBI institute.
Pressure because of which, Rabia, I mean, you feel your daughter never ended up getting the justice that she deserved, even
No,
after
she will
her
get
death?
Justice. She will get justice. Justice is not a human game. Justice is God's. She will get justice. And I have full faith and hope. If one officer can get influenced by Bollywood, Institute of CBI does not get influenced. You've got to understand the entire judicial system, I have the faith. I have faith, and I know that truth will surface. If we all raise our voice and not be complicit with the politicians and the police and the Bollywood icons, you know, who are sabotaging the evidences and influencing police. I'm sorry, don't mingle with them and raise your voice. We will get justice.
Rabi, I mean, you keep
This is-
talking about Bollywood mafia when it came to,
Yes,
you
yes.
know, the investigation and how it was an
Yes.
impediment to the investigation in your daughter's demise as well. And you're linking the same Bollywood mafia to Sushant Singh Rajput's death as well. Name a few people. Who are these Bollywood mafia? Call them out.
I don't
according
have
you.
to. I don't want to take dirty names on my lips, because I rather take the names of Bhagwan ka naam le loo main. Lekin I don't need to name them. They are all over, and you can see them. Wherever you see that black hole, that is where the Bollywood mafia is. Today in Bollywood, this darkness that has been created is created by the dark people in Bollywood. And why Bollywood has one camp that is completely, what they are not doing.
Yes.
Anybody in the Nepo kit,
Yes.
if he's a murderer, if he's a rapist, if he's a drug peddler, or if he's a human trafficking, whatever, they are excused.
I just also want to bring in one more point. Just a little while back, a couple of, I'm coming to Kangana in just about a bit, Rabi Amin,
Yes.
but Suraj Pancholi was interviewed by my colleague Sushant Mehta on India Today, and Suraj Pancholi goes on to tell India Today that this case has been dragging on for so many years. I'm a scapegoat, and how it is you are not appearing for hearings. That is, Jia's mother Rabia Amin is not appearing for the hearings as well, and that is why it's been dragging on. What would you like to tell Suraj Pancholi? But just retort to Suraj Pancholi here.
Tell that kid, Napo kid, go and get some education. Is the court waiting for me? Am I Prime Minister? Am I somebody so big that the court will wait for me? The trial, they have put the charges, they have put the wrong charges. You alter the charge, you take my assistance, as High Court has said to the prosecutor, take my assistance, they don't want it. So what am I going to do? Even then, I go there. Who has taken the case to High Court and Supreme Court and to the trial? The case was shut by the police. The case was shut, and he got released, and he went to Himachal to shoot to become a hero. These are the kinds of hero you make, and the heroes who have died, who have been murdered.
Rabia, but I'm not even for a second attesting what Suraj has said. I'm just, one question is that you should then appear for the hearings as well. Is there a reason why you're not appeering for the hearings?
I do appear.
That's his accusation.
In fact, I do appear. My lawyer team has been appearing. What do you think? Where do you think I have spent money like water? Every time we are the ones who are there. But sometimes the court is adjourned. Most of the time the hero is not there, right? The hero who is an accused is called hero. He's not there. The judge pointed out that why he's not here. The lawyer said, oh, it's raining heavily. Excuse me. This girl, this woman has come from London, and she's sitting over here. She's drenched in rain, and she's sitting here. Ask him to come. The court had to wait for this accused to come. And that this has happened many, many times. And when he comes, he brings the media with him, and he laughs and walks as if to say he's some kind of icon. These are the kind of heroes you talk. And he has got the audacity to say that I don't come.
Absolutely understand your pain. No, we absolutely, as a mother, what kind of pain that you must be going through at the moment is absolutely understandable. Absolutely, Rabia. Today, do you feel hopeless? Do you feel defenseless on what is going on?
Yes, I feel hopeless that police who is supposed to police us is policing the mafia and the wrong people. Right? I feel sad that such innocent, beautiful, talented people have been killed by these criminals. And I feel sad that they use their money, power, and status and misuse it. India, you're changing the image of India. Now you want to change also the image of CBI, who is a primary agency of India. You want to change it. Just because one officer has been influenced by you doesn't mean that you can change the face of image of CBI.
Do you feel, Rabia, that your daughter was gaslighted by Suraj Pancholi, because you've also taken the social media
100%.
saying that she was gaslighted? Yes. And what is the kind of exact parallel that you would draw in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput as well, in terms of how gaslighting takes place by the partners, and that's your accusation?
Gaslighting. You see, gaslighting. Oh, now once my daughter has admitted that she loves, now she has got to do everything, keep proving. Everything she has got to keep proving. Give the money. Oh, don't you love me? You understand me? All the time that you have got to keep assuring it. Yes, I will prove you by this. I will prove you with that. Spending out the money, controlling them. Don't meet your mother. Tell your mother to start talking, saying lies. My daughter never lied to us. My daughter never hid anything from us. Suddenly, ever since she met Suraj Pancholi, she started hiding. First she comes here. Who comes on Valentine's Day to her mother? Valentine's Day is a day of boyfriend and girlfriend. She comes to us. I say, baby, you don't look happy. What happened? So is it your work? Is it some? No. When I said, is it Suraj Pancholi? She started to cry, and she told me that he beats her and he abuses her verbally and all. I said, you're not going back to India. And then he manipulates her after 10 days and says, oh, I have an operation, my blades that are fixing my jaws needs to come out, so I have nobody. Where did his father and mother go? That my daughter had to go, leave London and go to nurse him, because she was a sympathetic soul, because we have raised our children innocently and we have raised our children spiritually, so they get caught. You
have also made a mention, Rabia Amin, on how Jia, your daughter, was declared mentally disabled and depressed due to a lack of work.
Excuse me.
No, you have made that. You have put that out on social media.
Except Mahesh Bhatt and this syndicate media who anchored Mahesh Bhatt to come on the funeral day and telling me, oh, she was depressed. I said, no, sir, she was never depressed. So, तुम चुप हो जाओ नहीं तो तुम्हें भी इंजेक्शन देके सुला देंगे. ये कोई बोलता है किसी की funeral पे?
And then did he actually say that to you, Rabia?
Yes, he did. He did say that. And there were other people who were sitting over there and they heard. We were shocked. I was so shocked that, but my pain was much more griever than what he's talking.
And your daughter was falsely accused of having a mental disability, and that's why you're drawing this parallel to Sushant Singh Rajput.
And then what they do, they campaign the syndicate media to talk against the victims' families. Victim ko to criminal bana diya. You have made victim a criminal, and now you accuse their family, put allegations on them that we are greedy, we want money, we didn't raise our children. Look at your own children. Look at your own children. When Suraj Pancholi's own father was told by his sister that neighbors are saying that Suraj Pancholi is beating Jia. So he said, leave my son alone. You don't interfere. This is the kind of upbringing you have. And then you have got the audacity to blame the victim's family. I'm sorry. The police has to do their job. And I don't think so.
I very interestingly now have caught on to what you said, that Mahesh Bhatt and what he told you about your daughter, which was false according to you, and that kind of statement that he made. And his name is also making rounds as far as the death mystery of Sushant Singh Rajput is concerned.
Well, he is a mouthpiece who's brought by this Bollywood mafia to go and speak, because people will listen, because he talks in that I can't even imitate the way he says, as if to say he is the world's psychiatric, as if to say he knows the best, and what he will say will be the best. What rubbish. He knows nothing. He knows nothing. He is so pathetic that I have no words even to express why my daughter moved out from his film. I know she was only 16, and the way he was intimidating, the way he was creating the hostile and telling me to go and leave her alone. Why should I leave my 16-year-old alone? Why? Am I stupid? That's why we walked. We didn't say anything. That time we didn't say anything. But now it is getting too much. I will not stop talking. I will not stop telling exactly what these people are up to.
We're with you, we're with you, Rabia. Rabia, we really truly hope that you get justice very soon. Jia gets justice very, very soon.
I don't care about life. There is no life and death. I don't care about it. But I will speak. I will speak for justice. I will speak for truth.
As you must, and hope justice prevails. We truly,
and I pray for ask everyone to pray for Sushant, to pray for Jia, to pray for Disha, and get justice. Because they should stop it.
Rabia, it is very brave of you to come out and speak like this to us here at India Today. Thank you so very much. We hope justice prevails, and I wish you very, very well. Thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.